Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Help the video out by leaving a comment and click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. All right, today on Dave's Cooking Show, we have the 4-cheese Quattro Pizza. It starts off with mozzarella cheese that's been nicely shredded. Of course, my standard dough and sauce have been applied. The only change I made to the dough is this dough is made with double O flour, and if you can get it, I highly recommend it. Now we're going to add a layer of Fontina cheese. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 550 degrees or as high as your oven will go. And make sure you take your oven rack and place it as close to the bottom as possible. And then just give this a quick little dusting of both Parmesan and Asiago cheeses. And then pop this in the oven for about 6 minutes or until the edges are golden brown and the cheese is ooey gooey and wonderful. All right, see everyone in 6 minutes. And through the magic of cooking show editing, the pizza's done. So stick around to learn how to make the dough and tomato sauce, or pizza sauce, excuse me. And that's the 4-cheese Quattro Pizza. Done. So here's how we make the pizza dough. In a bowl, as you can see here, I have 5 cups of all-purpose flour. Then I'm going to add 2 packs of instant dry active yeast. If you use regular active dry yeast, not the instant stuff, then you will have to warm up the beer to about 110, give or take. Then we want to add a teaspoon and a half of sea salt. And then you want to add 16 ounces or 1 tall boy of beer. Can be pretty much any beer you like. I just go with Budweiser because that's what I like. Okie dokie. Then we just want to get our paddle attachment and turn it on and let this mix around, knead around for 8 to 10 minutes. Then I took the dough out, formed it into a ball, got about a half a tablespoon to a tablespoon worth of olive oil, covered it. Then I covered the bowl with a towel, put it in a depowered oven, oven that's turned off, and let that proof for about 2.5 to 3 hours. Then I divided it into 5-ounce balls, covered them on a baking sheet, and let them proof again for about 45 minutes. Now, if you want this dough to develop flavor further, seal the, put it in either a Tupperware thing and seal that, or cover this in clear film and leave that down in the fridge for 24 to 72 hours. All right, that's pretty much the dough recipe. Here's how you make my classic pizza sauce. You take 28 ounces of tomato sauce, add a tablespoon of olive oil, 3 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. All right, and then you want to combine everything in a crock pot with a little whisk here. Then you want to cook covered for at least 1 hour on high, and then at least 1 more hour on low. And then just keep it on low and just use it while you're making your pizzas. And that's pretty much the pizza sauce.